Hey everybody, it's Dan Van Meer, VP of Marketing at LVK. I'm here at our Toronto warehouse today. I was stopping in to say hi to the team and catch up with them. So I thought I'd take you on a quick tour while I was here. Let's go check it out. All right, so we're coming in through the back end of the warehouse here. We just walked through the employee break room and we're going to walk through the racking and we'll start the tour just with receiving. So you can kind of see the full flow of goods through our process. The Toronto warehouse is around 70,000 square feet. Our area in the warehouse, sorry, 70,000 square feet. I'll just show you quickly here. Tons of space for us to grow. We have a bunch of room to grow. Let's just peek over here quickly, which is awesome. But true to our general approach, we try to make the most of the space that we have now, make sure that we do things in a profitable, scalable way before we take on new space. So the flow starts here. We inbound through these doors and then move goods over to where we do our receiving, which is just around the corner from these boxes and skids here on the right. Let's go check that out. See the teams at work receiving some goods now through the Ship Hero app. So we do the full receiving, do first article inspection, make sure that our initial quantities are correct. From there, goods flow through. Typical setup, overstock, high on the racking. We use most of our floor locations for picking as well. Our section of the warehouse is around 70,000 square feet. You might have heard some noise in the background there, some nail guns. There's actually 3 unique spaces in this warehouse. Total size is around 170,000 square feet. Okay, let's see the team at work picking orders. So that's kind of the quick walkthrough of the racking. This is our high velocity pick area, so everything that moves quite a bit we use these racks for. This is the typical setup that you'd see in most of our warehouses. All right, in Toronto, we also run a couple different variations of pack stations. We run a red station, kind of denoted by the red sign, blue stations, which you can see a blue sign there. And then at the very end of the row, we have 3 dedicated staff pack stations. So let me just walk you quickly through the difference of all those different types of stations. So for red and blue, it's mostly denoted by the packaging type. So our red stations are set up for boxes primarily. And so a lot of multi-package orders will also route through our red stations. Blue stations are set up with poly. And then you can see our dedicated pack stations are set up here, where we pick right from the cart and pack right from that setup. I'll swing around here so you can get another view of that. This is a better view here, kind of what it looks like when we pick and do the direct pack out. At the end, packages come down the line. We use our shipping containers feature in our own warehouses to sort packages before they go out to make sure that they end up with the right carriers. And we outbound through the doors at the end of this aisle. You can see here that a truck's being loaded today. In Toronto, we also have a secure room for packing out jewelry and other high-value items. All right, thanks again for joining. Hope you enjoyed the tour today. If you have any questions, comments, let me know. I'm always happy to do these. And if there's things you want to see next time we come through one of these facilities, happy to capture whatever would be interesting and helpful for you. Have a great day.